Today, I want to tell you why I love practicing criminal defense. I'm attorney Joe Pometto, Joe the lawyer, and founding partner of the Joe Pometto Law firm. I'm a small solo practitioner working in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I want to tell you why I love practicing criminal defense. There's a couple of reasons. Number one, I like practicing criminal defense because I believe everyone, no matter what they have done or what crime they've committed or are accused of, deserves proper legal representation. The reason for that is that the system only works if the defendant and the prosecution both have good, strong lawyers on their side. That's the way society gets to the truth and gets to the best result possible and justice, if not all the time, but at least most of the time. So I believe everyone has a right to strong legal representation, and I believe in providing that, even if the person has committed some sort of heinous crime. Number two, I enjoy defending the constitutional rights of my clients. Within the Constitution, there are certain guarantees, such as a presumption of innocence. Everyone accused of a crime is assumed innocent. Such as reasonable doubt. The prosecution must always prove their case beyond a reasonable doubt. The right to an attorney, the right to effective assistance of counsel. All of these are guaranteed by either state law or federal law, but many of them are guaranteed by the United States Constitution, a document that I believe preserves the liberties and rights of all citizens of the United States. If there are not attorneys like me, like people in the public defender's office, and even like good prosecutors working for their cause, then the Constitution does not function and we lose something, we lose justice. Number three, I believe that I act as a check and balance on the power of police and state, of the police and state. Police, government, FBI, state troopers, they have a tremendous amount of resources and power on their side. Politicians always go out and talk about getting tough on crime. Sometimes in that dragnet, innocent people get caught up in it, and or the police violate someone's constitutional rights. Without really good criminal defense attorneys, the police will trample on people's rights all the time. I'm not an anti-police guy. I believe that there are good police out there and that as long as the police follow the rules, they're good for society. But someone needs to stand in their way to make sure that they don't go too far. A man wiser than me once said that power corrupts. I believe that that is true. The police have a tremendous amount of power, and in order to protect from them becoming corrupt or doing things that violate our rights, you need good criminal defense attorneys. Number four, I do it for the money. Ha! I got you on that one. I'm not going to stand here and say that I don't make decent money. I do. But the truth of the matter is that lawyers in other areas of law make far more money than most criminal defense attorneys make. Okay, criminal defense attorneys aren't out there hitting $500,000 or $5 million settlements on a personal injury or wrongful death lawsuit. When you read the news and you see these attorneys got $100,000 settlement, $200,000 settlement, lawsuit against some large corporation for $5 million. Those aren't criminal defense attorneys. Those are plaintiffs' attorneys. Okay, those are big civil litigation firms. They make the big bucks. I'm here scraping by, okay? I don't want to say I'm scraping by, I make decent money, but I'm out here fighting for my clients. I take clients on payment plans. I take clients on reduced fees if I know that they have reduced means. And my fees are not, I'm telling you, not what you see from those civil attorneys. I might do a case for a couple $100 in a certain situation. And I've even lost money on plenty of cases. You won't see that in other areas of law. So I do like to make money. I'm not telling you that I don't. But it's not my primary reason for doing criminal defense. I actually truly enjoy the work. The next reason is that I love being in court. I like going into court, making arguments, doing trials, cross examining witnesses, presenting my case, and then arguing to a judge or jury that my side is the one that they should adopt. I enjoy that. I get a lot of personal fulfillment from doing that. And I believe I'm on number 6 now. I might have got lost there. It's number 6. I love representing clients who turn their lives around. They become friends with me on social media, okay, and I get to see them doing good things, getting out of the rut that they were in, beating their battle with addiction, turning their lives around, sometimes becoming role models for other people. So those are the reasons that I love practicing law, and and those are the reasons I enjoy practicing criminal defense. I believe everyone has a right to strong legal representation in the justice system. That's what guarantees that the system works. I believe in the Constitution and defending people's constitutional rights. I also believe that defense attorneys play a critical role in checking the power of the police and government. I do like making money as well, though I could be doing other areas of law where I make a lot more money than I do practicing criminal defense. But probably most of all, I enjoy going into court, making arguments before a judge or jury, and I love seeing my clients turn their lives around and get onto a better path. So thank you for clicking on this video. If you're at my website and you're thinking about hiring me, send me an email, give me a message. I would love to help you out. If you're just watching this video on YouTube, thanks for stopping by. You can check the link to my website, a link to a whole bunch of other content and things that I do in the description below. Thank you for your time. This is Joe Pometto of the Joe Pometto Law Firm, also known as Joe the Lawyer, signing out.